Hi, my name's Sandy Pennington. I run Casarock Place Animal Therapy here in Barmah. We do a lot of animal-assisted therapy, and we have a couple of buffalo too that we also, people can come up and have a buffalo experience. The Commodore system, as it's off-grid, has allowed us to continue on the lines of the holistic approach is what we're all about here at Casarock Place Animal Therapy. It's given us the scope to do more. Having clinics run here, we can do paint and sip. We've actually got equine body therapy clinics as well happening. So it's expanded us in phenomenal ways. When I called up, Clayton answered, and I just said I was inquiring, and he took me through the whole process. So basically what we'd need and what we'd need in future, or so nothing was too much trouble for him. Yeah, it was seamless. It was a seamless process. You know, we got a date and it was there by that date. And, they even got the electricians and that set up for us as well, which would have been a big process for us. What I loved about the Commodore process was just the seamlessness, customer service, and ongoing service. Commodore was just perfect for us. It's environmentally friendly and cost effective and a really good product.